Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to change your default browser on Android. First, open your Settings app from the app drawer or home screen. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, tap on Choose Default Apps from the list of options. Now, you'll see different default app categories. Tap on Browser app to access browser settings. Furthermore, you'll see a list of all browsers installed on your device, like Chrome, Firefox, Samsung Internet, or any other browser you have. And then simply tap on the browser you want to set as your default. For example, if you prefer Firefox, just tap on it. Additionally, if you don't see your preferred browser in the list, make sure it's installed from the Google Play Store first. After selecting your browser, all web links will now open automatically in your chosen default browser instead of the previous one. Now, whenever you tap a link from Messages, emails, or apps, it will open directly in your new default browser for a seamless browsing experience. And that's it. Changing your default browser on Android lets you customize your web browsing experience. Choose the browser that works best for your needs. Let me know in the comments which browser you set as your default.